In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the right function in Wix. Whether you're new to Wix or just looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through the essentials of adding and customizing text on your site efficiently. Let's get started by logging into your Wix account. If you haven't set up an account yet, head over to the Wix website and create one. Once you're all set up, enter your login details on the home screen. If you have any issues logging in, be sure to check your email for verification or reset instructions. Now that we're logged in, let's move to the next step: accessing the dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for managing your website. From here, you can see all the sites you're working on. It's where you get a quick overview of your website's performance and make changes as needed. Navigate to your dashboard by clicking your website name from the menu at the top of your screen. Having your dashboard open will help you easily move to the site editor. On the dashboard, you'll see a button, usually labeled Edit Site. Clicking this takes you to your site editor, which is where the magic happens. Here, you can make changes to your site's layout and content. On the left-hand side of the editor, you'll notice a vertical menu. Here, you want to find and click on the plus Add button, which will open the Add panel, a powerful toolkit for enriching your site with new elements. In the Add panel, you'll find a range of options for features you can add to your site. Today, we're specifically interested in adding text, so go ahead and click on the Text option. This allows you to add various types of text elements like headings, paragraphs, or lists, depending on your content needs. Drag and drop the text element onto your page wherever you wish the text to appear. Once you've placed your text, the real fun begins: customization. Clicking on the text will reveal an editing toolbar. You can easily change the font style to match your site's vibe, adjust the size for better readability, or choose a color scheme that aligns with your branding. If you want your text to link to another page or an external site, simply highlight the text and click the link button in the toolbar to add URLs. In just a few minutes, you've learned the basics of using the right function in Wix. You can now greet your visitors with new content or guide them through your site with informative text. Keep experimenting with these tools to find what best fits the vision you have for your website. Thanks for joining in today, and happy website building!